nakaatras na yung mga kukuha. Sagot na palo, Josh Ibanez!
Lakas ba ang sabi niyo?
Offense number 2 for UST. Katinsag, no. In transition, huli si Amit. Josh with that easy over. Saavedra!
The advantage of having Saavedra putting that one away for FEU.
It's no good. Another try for UST. Katinsag!
A good play there, but not enough. Putting that away for UST.
Sean Cruz is not in uniform for today. Mamaya makikita natin kung sino yung mga nilayan ng Coach RJ. But in the meantime,
his timing, his elevation, and putting that ball away.
Restency. Malaking issue na dito, Coach Sense.
Mga counter-attack ka eh.
Hindi ng cross-court. Sharp angle. Puntos, technical timeout. Good idea coming from Ariel Cacao.
Nandun eh, diba?
Yep.
Ang ganda naman ng setup na yon. Anticipated that set.
Naiwanan, nahuli.
Tie the game.
Akers rejected by Moksani.
Baka mahuli na yung laglag niya eh. Kaya hinataw niya. But the net defense of Sally.
Bong, yep.
Another great A pass there from Ibanez.
Nagawa ng paraan. Nico Espartero cross court.
What a
of these setters na. Kahit sobre yung pasa, hindi nila hahayaang maging regalo sa kalaban yun eh. Sumagot ng drop si G-Boy. Patented jump serve of G-Boy De Vega. Dula!
missed first ball.
Ito, Josh Ibanez.
Nakabawi kagad.
Vin, pinapalo si Books. Ariel naman, they go to Ahmed between. From the pipe, nope. G-Boy sending it to Josh. Another time!
Blockers, Mendoza, one of the better blockers here sa ating tournament. Josh Ibanez knows what to do with his...
Cross-court ng bibitaw. Pero, para sabi ni Josh, kulang pa yun. UST naman ang merong move-in ace of the set courtesy of Josh Ibanez na. Si Josh. Nice fake. Combination play. Working wonders for FA. Height of that set of Ariel Cacao. Akala ko si Lyric ang papalo eh. Again, highly anticipated matchup. Solid swing coming from Trevor Valera.
Natural na sa'yo eh, di ba?
Oo. Pumasok si Sherwin Umandal. Naku, regalo. Jump serve na ginagawa ni Carl Tandok. High school pa lang. G-Boy yung drop! Niya, para kung saan sa pupwesto, kung mag-aabang ba siya ng drop o aabang pa siya ng banda ng bola. Ibanez! Long break point kailangan ng FEU. Ibanez tinapos na! But it's good. The ball is alive. He thought it hit the floor. Naniguro si Sherwin Umandal. In the first 20 points of either teams. Diba? Pero pagdating sa dulo, yun lang talaga yung finishing point. Panapos ng round. Pag nagbigay ka ng isang haymaker, yung mana-knockdown dito as far as this match is concerned. One set lead for the level from 0-0 up until to the last point. Sally was blocked to begin the second set.
May firepower in terms of the attackers. Nandun yung blockers and floor defense. Kaya talagang whoever gets that momentum. Dalawa kagad eh. No?
Tigisa si Ahmed tsaka si Dula. Sa kabila, si Josh Ibanez hindi magpapahulihan.
Yan ang kailangan nilang tutukan.
Nitong game 1. Lalo nung game 1 na Josh Ibanez, latter part. Habol si Ariel, palo si Drix, nakuha ni Dax.
Chance ball for FEU.
Tingin si Ariel. Sa likod pala binigay. Nice dig by Josh Ibanez being the star libero of the entire.
I think that was De
Oh, check
Vega.
that out. That's G-Boy De Vega who got the grabs. Patero. G-Boy, nandun na yung coverage. Ahmed Bituin with that fake attack. Walang pakialam ang UST.
Para sa attack na Espartero.
PPK pa kayo ng set, ha?
Because they're up here in this set 8-4, and it seems parang
Point in this set. Makukuha na ba nila dito? Hindi pa. Kabiloy, black point pa rin. FEU.
Mendoza.
Simple yung service. Sinet up si Josh Ibanez.
Tingnan mo to. Yung elevation niya, kitang-kita eh. Babaw sa net yung ulo eh.
Mag-error man sila o pumapasok pa yung mga service nila, hindi nila babaguhin yung mga klase ng service nila. Naku! Ibanez cross court!
Kita mo yun, diba? Nandun naman, nakaset up.
Ahmed, Doug. Josh Ibanez, pipe attack. Doug by Rod Stewart. Ahmed Bituin, no. UST will go to Vin Katinsag. Still no good. And play goes on. G-Boy, nilakasan na. Nahabol pa ni Kyle. And the rally goes on. Ahmed Bituin. Doug by Josh Ibanez. Sally. May check. Na-apektuhan ng Lindol a couple of days ago. So, sigurado, busy ngayon yun. Catch-up viewing mamaya yan. Eh, mas maganda na kapag napanood nila itong laro na to. 6-point lead. Overpass. Overpass! Si Sherwin. Play goes on. Saavedra. Block! Ay, nagtinginan lang! Of the serving prowess of Albuquerque Sally. Nice take by Bryce de Guzman. Lyric Mendoza, in-over na kaagad. Isa pa, G-Boy, huli ni Lyric.
Problema for FEU eh. Most of their points coming from those blocks. Pero yung be doing here.
Josh Avila bigay kay Delica na yun yung panapos.
Good timeout.
Isang set na lang. And there's
Points.
2 attack points in a set. That must be a record low for the Tamaraws. And they...
Huwag dyan. Good first ball by Josh Ibanez. Siya na rin ang umatake.
Parang warm up.
FEU.
Sa kamp palang tinuturo niya na yun, di ba?
No.
Naka-ace pa si Snow White. Tinuturo niya na. Oh, just disrupting the flow of offense for FEU. G-Boy again! The variety of G-Boy De Vega.
Solid serve and solid receive. Uy!
What a play by Trevor Valera.
Hindi na rin naibalik pa dito sa larong ito.
Kyle Dandok remained. Nahuli pa ni Dax Yambao. To come back and haunt them. Grab block of the set. Courtesy of the setter. El Capitan Dax Yambao.
13-8 but hindi pwedeng kumumpiyansa. They're going to that back row attack dyan kay Sally.
FEU kept it alive. UST will go to Dax.
Alam niya eh, di ba? Alam niya, nag-out of
Forward. Parang bitin pa, but still manages to control his landing. But in the meantime, Nico Espartero. Ganda rin ang serve ni Luis Miguel. Pero nakaset up si Josh! Ganda ng first. Edster C. And there is Ahmed Bituin. Got rejected. But another opportunity. Lyric Mendoza. May kababaan yung bigay sa kanya. Josh Ibanez is blocked!
very efficient second set. Yun na yung pinaka-efficient weapon ng FEU. Their net.
18-2. FEU pa to, knowing that they have a lot of weapons. Jay, mukhang paatakin ito. Pero punta kay Bukaj, huli ni Nico!
Good block there ni Sally.
Some live. Avila going to G-Boy De Vega. Deflected by the blocker. Cacao back set. Palo ni Luis Miguel.
Isang magandang opensa lang naman yan.
Iisa na lang ang timeout ng UST set. Ito, Josh Ibanez! Conclusion, kumbaga, with that trend. Sagot ng FAU, Luis Miguel!
No surprise.
The hero FAU needed against this formidable
Katinsag. Uy, nako! Miscommunication on that reception for Parang tinawag na ni Mendoza eh. Mendoza, opposite si Saavedra.
Lyric Mendoza! That could be the final set for UST. If they manage to pull it through! Another rejection!
Getting this lead, 23-22. No entry para sa UST.
Shot serve! Josh Ibanez! Missing the shot! Big help to get them. With Coach Edster C. There's that dive by Drix Saavedra. Amit bituin through the blockers. There was Josh. Pumuntos ka agad. Josh Ibanez. Walang problema pag siya yung kukuha ng first ball. Walang problema sa dig. Walang problema sa reception. As natin doon, no, yung kapag naka-receive si Josh, papalo. Pero si Lyric Mendoza, binigyan tayo ng isang grab spike of the set. Ginagawa nila ngayon paulit-ulit. They will force FAU to adjust. But the thing that FAU is doing is dito sa panik ng FAU. So, mabit pa yung service. Naka-recover. Huli ni Dula!
Points ng FAU, yung talagang bumubuhay sa kanila eh. Oh.
Block of the set. Brought to us by Grab. Ang magulo mo lang. You just need to disrupt the defense. Di ba?
Ayan na naman yung middle attack.
Hinahanap ng FAU, especially in set number 2, their confidence. Obviously, they got it back. Si Amet bituin na lang ang sigura. Malam ko si Amet bituin na lang, hinihintay nilang pumutok dito. At ayun, nakaisa na si Amet.
Okay. Ginagawa ng USN, they're able to get it. Get that block point.
The take dun sa masasabi natin yung momentum, obviously, lamang na yung FAU sa pagkakataon yun, and Josh Ibanez just stopping everything.
1 set to 2.
Josh Ibanez. Another try. Nahabol ni Amet. Naangat ni Ariel. Napalo ni Drix. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Bugsali. Check out.
Alam ko pupuli pa ni...
Proper setup ang gusto ni G-Boy. Bucards. Napasobra yung push shot. Iko 1-2.
Yes, yan ang sinasabi mo kanina, di ba?
Just monumental number of attack points for UST in this second game. Nico Espartero. Soft serve. Nico Espartero!
Lumusot on that dig.
It's Miko. Hot pair of hands. As of this moment, G-Boy. Buong pwersa ng Sports Vision Management Group Incorporated nag-aabang kumilang sa Sabado. 80 points of the 90 points so far of UST. Josh Ibanez. Iba yung pinunta ng bola doon sa reception. Pero nabalo ni G-Boy!
Grabe namang palo yun by G-Boy.
Ngayon parang may 5 puntos pala si Drix Saavedra. G-Boy. Oh, nice up by Dula Dongala to save that ball. Another drive for UST. Trevor Valera! Spikers. Espartero!
Nahuli ko ng blockers.
Ang mabuhay dito para sa FAU, yung blocking nila. Kasi papalo lang na papalo sila Trevor Valera at kung makakalusok needs to get a break point. Huli ni Ahmed! Sa serve nila. Josh Ibanez was rejected by Dula Tongala!
Ito na yung test of character. Paano kayo mag-close out? Paano itong dikit na...
Mag-materialize kaya, nasa loob si Luis Miguel. Josh Ibanez, there was a check. There was a check.
Oh, check ball.
It's a rubber match coming up. FPU says not yet. Is this the finish? Not, oh, yes it is. The ball went out.